Hello everybody and welcome to the first update for the I Heart the 90s Project Pan. This project was created by Laura Takanaga and I will have her linked down description. It is a year-long rolling project that started on January 1st and goes until December 31st. It's updated once a month, every month. And this is that update. This is the first one since we started. And each month we are working on 8 to 10 products and rolling them out as we complete them. You can set any goals you want, and I think that's pretty much everything I covered for this project so far. So let's get into the products I am currently working on. There are 40 prompts in this project, and the first prompt I picked was no scrubs, a product you want to get out of your life, and I picked my Sun Bum SPF in 50 for face, and I wanted to get this out of my life because it expires January 2022, right now, and so my goal was to use it to the end of the month, hopefully empty it, but if not, at the end of the month, I will be tossing it. We were right up here at this crude little mark here and got all the way down to there. So I used quite a bit of it throughout the month. I used it daily in place of my morning moisturizer, and I also used it on the back of my hands when I was getting ready to help protect my hands from the sun. But after this, it's gone. It's gone, so we're going to roll that out and bring something else in its place. The next thing is my Pacifica Wild Rose Blush. This is for the prompt Jurassic Park, one of the oldest products in your collection, and I brought in this lovely blush here from Pacifica. This is, I don't know, just their Wild Rose Natural Mineral Blush, and my goal is to hit pan. As you can see, I haven't. There's not even really a dip going on in there, but I have been using it all the time, which for me is 13 uses. So I've used it 13 times in the last month, and I think they're starting to show a little bit of a dip. I mean, it's a very big dip, but it's yeah, there's some wear, definitely, but not any significant dip, so that's going to stay in for a little while longer. And then the next product is for the prompt Titanic. In this case, you were to flip a coin, and heads you get a high-end product, and tails you got a low-end product. I flipped and got heads, so I brought in a high-end product, and I brought in my Verify Eye Cream. It looked a bit bigger than this, like that. And it was pretty low. As you can see, I've cut it in half. This stuff retails for this sample would cost $27. And this is just a deluxe sample. But I cut it open and depotted it, and surprisingly there was quite a bit, so I put it in this little guy here, and it's still going. I even marked it off thinking it was going to be done, and nope, there's still so much product here. And since it is an eye cream, you only use just a little bit every time. But I hope to have this done by the next update, and that would be very nice, because I'm ready. I have more eye creams to work on, and that is one I thought I would have done, and I didn't. So the next item, see here, is next prompt was Saved by the Bell. Something that helps makeup last longer, and I brought in my Milani Make It Last setting spray. And I went from there to there, so did a lot of progress. This is the only setting spray I'm using right now, so I use it every time I do my makeup, and that is okay. Not every time I do my makeup, apparently, because I've only used it 11 times. I know there were a few times I forgot to use setting spray, but you know, it happens to all of us sometimes, doesn't it? We're in a hurry, we're like rushing around. That's fine. It's fine. It's all fine. But yeah, I should have that done based on that amount of progress that I made in 1 month, I should have that finished for the next update. So that would be 2 products rolling out, hopefully next update. Next up we have Tamagotchi, a product that won't last long. I went with a product that I didn't think lasted long when you use it, and that is my Wassup's Repairing Overnight Lip Mask. I still don't think it lasts very long, but it is better than I thought it was. It does last a little bit longer. So I've been using this after I wash my face while I'm doing my skincare routine. The first thing I'll do is I'll put this on to hydrate my lips while I'm doing everything else and help keep any of the other chemicals and skin treatments from getting on my lips, because sometimes that can make them peel. But by the time I'm done, it's pretty much gone, and I go ahead and put on a regular lip balm. But I did use a little bit. You can see I had to remark it because that line was fat, but I used just a little bit, and you only use a teeny tiny bit each time. So this is going to be in for a while. I actually have it down for, yeah, I have it down to empty it. It's probably going to be in the whole project. So that's something to look forward to. And then next up is Pokemon, and pick something that reminds you of your favorite Pokemon. My favorite Pokemon is Dratini, and I will try and put a picture of him in somewhere. And he is a cute little blue dragon, water dragon. And for that, I picked a light blue shade from my Trendy in Tokyo, which seems to be fitting for a Pokemon. And my goal for that is to use it 20 times. I have used it 5. And it is this shade right up here. And it's called Ginza. And yeah, there's nothing really exciting to see. I've used it 5 times. There's a little bit of disturbance. That's, I mean, what else did I want to say about that? Next is Junko or JNCO jeans. Something with bulky packaging. So I went with my Medusa's Makeup Baked Eyeshadow in Woke, because this is a honkin' big, huge single eyeshadow. And my goal for that is to use it 20 times, and I've used it 4. And you can see just the slightest little disturbance on top of that little dome. Not even a divot yet. But I mean, it's only 4 uses, so that's okay. I am wearing in both those shadows today. I have the gold on the inner corner and the blue on the outer, along with some base colors from my Pan That palette. And then the last product I have going right now is a little black dress. And that is my KVD setting powder in this deluxe size sample. And I marked it so we could see clearly, but we went from there to there, so just down a little bit. I do use this every time I do my makeup. Yes, I do use this every time I do my makeup, and I have used it 11 times for that little bit of progress. So my goal for that is to empty it, and hopefully we will get there sometime in the future. We will get there eventually, before the project is over, definitely. Alright, so now we had one rolling out, and that is my Sun Bum SPF, so I need to roll in a new one. So I have my phone. Let me pull up my app. Okay. Okay. We're going to do our best. I've turned off adaptive brightness, and I've changed it there. If we turn it there, we get it. Alright, so I put in 1 to 40, and let's see what we get. Number 27, which is Wasssup! Alright. And that is part of your morning. Okay. So number 27, Wasssup! I don't remember which way that's said, but you know what? I can say it any way I want. Alright, let me go find a product that meets that prompt, and I will be back in a second. Okay, I'm back. That took me a little while trying to find something that was part of my morning routine that wasn't something I used other parts of the day. So I went with a moisturizer that I'm going to be using in the morning. I have a separate moisturizer at night. The one that I had been using prior to the Sun Bum, so I thought it was a good replacement. And that is my Pacifica Dreamy Youth Day and Night Face Cream. It is an airless pump and it is opaque, so we can't really see, but I did shine a light through it, and the bottom of the airless pump is here. So it's going to be going up there soon. And since there is so little of it left, my goal is going to be to go ahead and just use up everything that's in here. And I do have a backup when this is empty. But yeah, looking forward to doing that and seeing everything else. So next month I should have finished the Milani and hopefully this eye cream. But that's all for this month. If I missed anything, let me know. And if you have any comments or suggestions, please let me know those as well. If you enjoyed this video, give it a great big thumbs up. If you like my content and want to see more, go ahead and hit the subscription button, the subscribe button, and the notification bell to be notified every time I upload a video. And until next time, I will see you